how to identify angle at center to angle at circumference, because it has become a pressing need among students. When you give them questions like this in the class, they normally mix it up. So to identify angle at center to angle at circumference, you look at these two angles at the center. It's confusing to students. So I want to direct you to be using this sign anytime you are given this question like this. This is the angle at circumference. So these two angles at the center, make their signs this way. This is one, this is the other one. Then look at this. This and this, they are corresponding. So let's quickly take this. So which angle gives this sign? You see it is this angle. So this is the angle at center to this angle. Okay? So if this is the angle at center to this angle, then let's call this one x. If this is x, okay, then we are going to say x is equal to twice angle at the circumference. That is 2 times 132. Okay, 132. So this gives us 4. This gives us 6, and this gives us 2. So this angle here is 264. Okay? Having gotten the value of x, you can now go to calculate d using what you have learned since JSS1. We have x plus d is equals to 360. Hope you know this theory. Angle at a point. To add angle, or the sum of angles at a point will give you 360 degrees. Okay, so we have x plus 264 will give us 360. So x is equal to 360 degrees minus 264 degrees. So x, rather x is this. Sorry for the mix up. Let's take this to be, we have gotten this, so this is x, this is d. We are calculating d rather. So this is d and this is d. So d equals to this. D equals to, so we have d is equals to 96 if you do your subtraction correctly. So this is how to manipulate your way to get the angle, any question that involves angle at center and angle at circumference. Let's quickly look at another question, very confusing to students. Let's say we have something like this. We are going to use the same cycle, but let's take this away. We have something like this, a cycle. We have an angle like this, and something like this. This is the center of the cycle. Normally you are told the center of the cycle is indicated with letter O. Okay, let's assume we want us to calculate letter C, and then we are given this angle. We are given angle 252 degrees. Okay, normally among students and most mathematics teachers, of course, will use this angle. To calculate this and put the answer in the OBJ anytime they are setting questions for you. So you need to be sure. If not, you see the option, you pick it and you fail. So this angle, based on what we have done, drawing these signs again, we have this, and this is the angle in question. Looking at these three symbols, you know this one is not that. So these are the two signs we are going to use. So So definitely, this is the angle giving us this, and this is the angle in question. So this is the angle at center to this angle. Alright? So what we need to do, let's call this letter D. What we need to do here is to find D. So we say D plus 252 degree should give us what? That is 360, based on the theory that you already know. Okay? So D is equals to 360 degree minus 252 degrees. This is 10 here. 10 minus D equals to 10 minus 2, that is 8. Here remain 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Wait, 3 minus 2, 1. So we have D is 108 degrees. This angle. So now we can calculate C. C, based on the theory, D is twice C. Angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. Okay? So D, that is 108 degrees, is equals to 2C. So what is C? C equals to 108 divided by 2. 2 going to 10 is equal to what? 5. 2 going to 8, that is 4. So we have 54 degrees. That is the correct answer. But a math teacher who wants to trick you can say this. Come and do this calculation and say that 252 is equals to twice C. Then C, divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. This cancels this. So C will be equal to 2 go here, 1. 2 go here is 2. Mean that 1. Take it here, that is 12. 6. We put this answer. Okay. Take this answer is failure. So hope you'll be properly guided by this. We'll be addressing other issues subsequently. So if you like what you have just seen, why not subscribe to this YouTube channel and get more of this. Thanks for listening.